Our project is the home appliance control for a physically challenged person using high blink sensor. Whether it is possible to operate any switches without seeking of others, whether we need to on it or or else others too need to support it. To overcome this, we done a project for the physically challenged people, so that they need to seek others' helps. They can easily operate themselves. The main objective of this program is the controlling of appliance remotely, so that we can with helps of eye blinks we can operate these things, while considering these two circuits, it is an so cost effective projects, and it also reduce the human work. It's mainly meant for an physically challenged people, so that they need no need to seek others helps. They can easily operate, just to sit as it is they can, it can easily operate for 5 to 10 meters. It also saves times, no need to waste the times of moving on, switch on and off on like that. Then here we will consider of here two circuits. One is transmitters and another one is a receiver circuits. In the transmitter circuit, we use an op amp. We use an op amp and rectifier and regulators and reference voltage. In that we can done a transmitter process. Here we can see an transmitter. It consists of a two IR and one receiver IR. See here, there is one transmitter, there will be a continuous flows to an eye. It is a photodiode. When there is a continuous flow, if any deflection takes place, the photodiode get deflected and it is fetches to an differential amplifier LM358. The third pin is fetched to it, and the second pin is given to a reference voltage. When the process started, they will compare the values of each others and estimate then output. The estimated output is low. The TSOP 1738 is operate only at 38 kilohertz. So that we use another circuit, transmitter circuit is called A-stable. It acts as A-stable multi-vibrator. When we fetches into the transmitter to another receiver, it gets to an operate it. Why we choose an TSOP 1738 is it is an cost effective and it can tackles the noises provided. Relay and AC supplies. Here comes the circuit. The TSOP, here comes the follow to capacitors. It functions as to reduce the ripples produced by it. This transmitter is to generate an clock signal, so it is fetches to an IC CD4017. It is an 16-bit ICs where there will be and get more outputs, that is a decade counter. Then the 14th pin is given by an clock, and 8th pin has been set to a ground positions. The Q0, the first position is fettered to a lower level state and followed by the higher level state. Then Q2 pin has been given to an 15th pin, so it is reset, so that the cumulative process takes place 0, 1 and 0 and 1. Then it is followed by a relay. The relay has been activated with help of a power supply of 5 volt and the BC548. It is an NPN transistor, where this transistor is an PNP transistor. The relay is an electronic switch which can operate by a low level current and voltage. It can able to process the high level current and voltage. For instance, we are demoing the project. Now I am going to wink the eye so that it get to operate. Now it has been in on state, and then off state. So it is, there will be a continuous flow between the ray. When we get an reflect, they will AC supply gets on, and another wink has been produced, it gets to off state. This is the procedures we done it. it advantages, it mainly saves the times and reduce the human effort. Mainly it can easily adapt, it is a portable things. In case of using the AC power supply, we can get an 6 volt of DC and make it put in on our packets, and so that easily make on and off. It is a very simple in construction. It's about only a 2 circuits of it, and it's very low power consumption, that is only a 5 volt we have been adapt to it. Hence, we have been done by the projects of ourselves, the Gautam Raj, and my mail IDs are rajagautam.gmail.com, and another followed by my colleague friend kapillok@gmail.com. We together done this project. Thank you.